if you want to be able to use power button in order to activate Gemini or Google Assistant, we need to go to settings. Now over here in settings, scroll down and go to additional settings, then choose gesture shortcuts. And then in here we have the launch digital assistant option, so we need to make sure that it is enabled over here. Now, besides that, we can also open the Gemini app. And of course, if you have to, you will need to scroll down and choose use Gemini or something like that in order to be able to actually use the Gemini when pressing and holding the power button. But if you want to use if you want to use Google Assistant instead of Gemini, then we can open the Gemini app, tap on our Google profile in the upper right corner, and then in here we have switch to Google Assistant. So once we switch to Google Assistant, you can press and hold the power button to show Google Assistant instead of Gemini. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.